one more thing, we have not considered products more than power 4. So there might be higher order products, power 5, power 6, power 7, also interfering with your signals. But what researchers have done, that they have found that compared to all the other higher order terms, this power 3 term is going to dominate a lot, and it is going to interfere with the frequencies. So our analysis, we are going to restrict only to third order intermodulation distortion products. And both the simulation and experiment, so the intercept is evaluated by extrapolating. So the parameters are measured theoretically and practically. So actually it is voltage. So this IIP3 is a power. We are going to find what is the minimum power. So how will you convert voltage into power? You know, when you have a simple circuit, you have an voltage source, and you have a RS, and you have an RL. I'll assume the voltage source value is V, and the source resistance value is R, and the load resistance value is also R. So what is the current? Current will be V divided by R plus R, or I get it, I is equal to V by 2R. So when you want to convert voltage into current, I divide by 2R. So same way, I am going to do that here. So I'm going to take this term, 4 by 3 C1 by C3. This is going to be, when you square the voltage, it becomes power. When you square the voltage, it is going to be power, right? So V square by R. So I have only V square, so I have to divide by R. If you consider this case where the RS and RL are going to be same, so I'll be dividing by 2R. See here, I'm dividing by 2R. So 4 by 3 C1 by C3 into 1 by 2 RS. So I will give 2 by 3 C1 by C3 into 1 by RS. So this is going to be the intermodulation distortion 3 product, or I am going to call it third order intercept power point. So this expression is very, very important. And how did we get this? First, equate the fundamental power equal to the third order IP3 product power. Get the expression for A square. So A square is voltage. I have to divide by RS to get the power. For maximum power transfer, it is not RS, it is RS plus RS. It is going to be 2RS. So I'm going to divide by 2RS. So 4 by 3 C1 by C3 into 1 by 2RS, or I get 2 by 3 C1 by C3 into 1 by RS. Now I'm going to plot this in the form of a graph.